The LR-19 series of linear position sensors from Alliance Sensors Group, a division of H.G. Schaevitz LLC, offers reliable, long-life operation utilizing LVIT linear variable inductance technology. LVIT technology consists of a high-resolution inductive sensing coil element coupled to built-in smart electronics. A conductive tube, referred to as a spoiler, travels over the coil element, changing the inductance. The smart electronics then generate an analog output signal that is proportional to the change in stroke. LR-19 LVITs are versatile devices that are used in a wide range of commercial and industrial applications, including automotive testing, automated assembly systems, and packaging equipment. The LR-19 is available in measuring ranges up to 8 inches, with choices of analog voltage, current, or digital output signals. Analog output signals are adjustable using the SenSet field calibration feature. The housing is constructed of 3/4 inch OD aluminum or stainless steel and rated to IP67. LR-19 LVITs include swivel rod ends for ease of mounting, and a choice of M12 connector or integral cable connectivity. LR-19 LVITs are economical, compact, and have an excellent stroke-to-length ratio, making them an ideal solution for your demanding application. Alliance Sensor Group's experienced application engineers are standing by to help you solve your measurement challenges. For more information, visit us at alliancesensors.com.